I've been going for a very long time. Like, it's so hard for me to make content for YouTube due to the fact that, I don't know, all the editing and stuff I have to do. But now that YouTube have their new editing app, this is gonna be my first video that I use to edit with to see how it works. But anyway, so my daughter's birthday is tomorrow, and Christmas, of course, is on the day after that, because she's a Christmas Eve baby. So my husband wanted my daughter to have this Rev Air. First of all, I went to Best Buy. He took me to, well, I took him to Best Buy, but he took me to Best Buy. And he was like, go in and buy this. He was like, I looked around to see, I want my daughter to have this because he knows the issues that we have when I'm combing her hair. And also my hair is a decent length, but right now it's all balled up because I need to wash it. But anyways, so we're gonna unbox this. I'm really excited to see what's all in here. I've seen people like, I've been looking at this thing for like four years. Let me see. Yeah, about 4 years, and I haven't purchased it because I'm like, who's spending $300, $400, $500? I spent $411 and like 58 cents yesterday to get this. What? Yeah, expensive. So anyways, I had to check the door. So like I said, it's expensive. My daughter's, first of all, I'm making bacon. It's 10 o'clock. We didn't get up until like 7, but we had other stuff to do. My husband had to do a conference call because of course he's a chief, whatever. So we're gonna open this up. Don't mind the kitchen. Like, I have a turkey sitting in the back over here. You can't see it. My mom dropped some stuff off, and I got stuff on the oven that I need to clean off. You know, mama stuff, okay? So let's see. And I'm probably not all the way in frame, but so the first thing that you get is this little, it says you've already earned points for the purchase. So I have to click the QR code and get my stuff from there. Then it has you to scan. Right here it says scan for step-by-step video or step-by-step videos on how to use it. So I'm a pretty smart girl. I'm a school teacher. I can figure stuff out. Oh, look. Let me cut my light on. Hold on. That's better? Yeah? Okay. So now it looks like it's inside of covers. I took that off. We can take this off. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. Let's see. There we go. Yeah. Okay. So if you look inside, this is how they have it together. Okay. So I think this is the machine, and it has a cover on it. This is cute. You get clips, which I am going to need for her hair. My daughter's hair is long. Okay. And then this is the little thing right here. This is the suctioner right here. And then of course you have a booklet. Yes. So let's look at this. Okay, so first it says, so you have your wand here, your magic wand. And I have to take this out so that I can get all of this out of here. Oh. Okay, it's inside of this thing. So I just need to, yeah, this is first reaction, so it's in here. I'm not going to take this out until I get ready to use it. Take this off. I'm hoping it came with a bag, but it didn't. I thought it was supposed to come with a bag, but I'll find a big bag. I'll use my duffel bag. So this is the base. So this is the piece that you're really going to need. I don't know. So this is the plug. Yeah, so a regular plug. Okay. And of course it has like your red and yellow buttons for the dryer. And then I don't know what this piece is for. I'm gonna have to watch the video and see. I'm making a mess. Don't worry. All right, and then this right here, of course, is the hose that is utilized, yes, to dry the hair. I told my husband, I said, you don't know how big this thing is, okay? It is $400 some, but it's worth it, but it's huge. Look how big this thing is. So later today, she doesn't want to because she doesn't know, but well, she does know, but we're going to be combing hair today. Tomorrow's her birthday, and we're going to be doing that. So we should put all the stuff back in here because eventually this box is going to go in the trash. Right, make sure I got all my pieces and stuff like that. But I'm gonna see how this turned out. I'm gonna use it on her first. I'm not gonna wash her hair because her hair doesn't need to be washed. It's already clean. I just need to take her braids that she has down, and then I'm going to suction piece by piece. I also bought one of those Wavy Talk, Wavy Talk, the hair dryer, not the hair, the curler brush thing, that I want to use after I blow dry her hair to just give it like a smooth little, cute little flip. So that is supposed to be coming today, through Amazon. So we're waiting for that. Let me check on my bacon. Hold on. Okay, so bacon is almost ready. So, so today, what we're going to do. So today we're going to, well, people are reaching out to me for last minute t-shirt orders. I am getting my t-shirt shop back up and running, hopefully full throttle next year. I've been getting a lot of weird inquiries for like different stuff. I literally only have a heat press and I'm outsourcing my print. So I'll make the design and then I'll have it printed somewhere else. I'll pick them up and then I will press them and then I'll give the people their orders. Of course, I'll order the shirts. They don't have to do anything but pay me their deposit and then pay the rest at the end once they pick up their items. But I'm literally just starting. I just pressed about a whole bunch of shirts for my daughter's birthday party that we're going to be passing out tomorrow to kids that show up. It's about 10 kids plus. So if they come, they get a shirt. It says happy birthday cupcake. That's my daughter's nickname, and stuff like that. So I forgot what I was saying because my son walked in. But so yeah, so I'm getting my t-shirt business up and running. Okay. So yeah, so somebody messaged me earlier, just asked me how soon. People be wanting their stuff like they want it done now. They don't want to wait like a day or two, not even 2 days. I'm not even asking for 2 days. If you request to put an order in today, I'll say, hey, you can pick up your order tomorrow, but you can't pick up your order. Or depending on how many hours it is, I'll say, if I'm picking up a lot of orders the next day, I'll say, okay, from where I get my prints from, then I'll say, okay, you can probably get them tomorrow. Or if I'm picking up the same day, I can say, okay, you can come and get your items in like 3 to 4 hours sometimes. But today I'm prepping and preparing my daughter for her birthday party. So no, you can't get your shirts done today. You can probably get your shirts done tomorrow, if that's what you're really needing. But today, no, and then tomorrow, of course, it's Christmas Eve. So the last minute orders are rolling in or trying to roll in, and I am denying some because I'm like, no, right? And I guess people don't want to, depending on what they are. I guess I don't know if I'm on the expensive side, but a lady reached out to me yesterday and asked me how much would it cost to get a front and back t-shirt design with just names on them, and she wanted 10 shirts, and I told her $22 a shirt. Okay, you're not doing anything. I'm giving you the shirts. I'm putting the prints on it. I have to design what you want for the shirt. So I feel like me designing the symbol and everything that you're wanting, pressing them on front and back, and I'm only charging you $20 a shirt. I feel like that is very feasible. I'm also going to be selling heat transfers as well, because that's like a popular thing on social media, on TikTok for sure. So I already have my t-shirt page up and running. I only have 300 followers on TikTok for my t-shirt business, and I only started like a week ago. So I've been making videos and stuff like that, and so I try to make the page look very professional and like with sameness. So like if I do a video, I'll do 3 videos in a row around the same design, so that like when you go on my page, you can see like, oh, okay, just to keep a variety. Supposed to be texting me. A variety of things. A variety of things for her. I mean, for my page, but that's pretty much it. Like, I've been trying to get it in. So, but that's what I've been doing. I have my cooking page on TikTok as well, but I only have 72 followers on there, and I really just, it's random. Like I don't post like on my other page where I have 28,000 followers on there on TikTok. I don't post like that. And things have slowed down, like payment wise and stuff like that. I don't know, just me and this YouTube thing. I know that if I stay consistent on YouTube, that I can get followers and stuff like that, or subscribers. Okay, but it just takes, I don't know, so long. Like on TikTok and YouTube are different, so I know the flow of of both. And I know for YouTube it's really consistency, like showing consistency for a long time, and the reap of the reward will be better at the end. Hold on, y'all. Just took my bacon out. But yeah, so I have to find my happy medium with YouTube. I know my happy medium with TikTok, even though TikTok is going through this. They have sold, honey. They have sold the business. So now I'm just over there. I make content. I used to make content every single day. I have slowed down this last week because I'm just like, it is what it is. They're not paying me as much as they used to. So I'm just taking whatever funds I get. Like this month, going into January, when I get paid on the 15th, I'm only gonna probably get paid like $130 versus last month I got paid like, I'm gonna say 700 plus. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, it's not consistency over there. You can put in the same work, like you can be consistent with the same video, doing the same thing 30 days, and you don't get the same results financially or monetarily. So it's like you put in all the work, but you don't see the reap of the rewards of the work every month. It's not consistent. It's like every other month or every other month. So now that they're been under Oracle, but like definitely under Oracle per se, and then have these new owners, and that TikTok only is going to have like, I think 19% or 20% or less than 20% of the business. Who knows what the app's going to look like towards the end of 2026. So I'm kind of just rolling with the flow, seeing what I can do, and hopefully I can get my t-shirt business off the ground, and maybe bring it to YouTube if people want to come over there, but I don't know. Okay, but anyways, y'all, I'm about to start them. Okay, it's finna start. She's asking me to request for another show that she's watching. Anyways, look, it's right here. It's about to start. She has no patience. Anyways, let me get her, y'all. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I should have said that earlier if you stayed for that long. But I love y'all. Toodles.